Once again to this channel, and sorry for the background noise. So the GS has released the 2024-2025 SHS placement result. So as you can see, this is the portal. This is the CSSPS portal, and the portal is live now. So welcome to the computerized school selection and placement system 2024-2025 academic year. And we have here to be check placement, and we have here to be manual, and here is your help center. So if you have any problem and you want to contact them, you just have to tap the help center and they will attend to your problem. Now, this is what we are going to do here. We are going to look at how to check our placement. So you tap on the check placement, and this is where it is going to take you to. Note, this time you are not going to buy vouchers to check your placement. Okay, so all what you have to do is just go to this particular website, that is CSSPS.gov.gh. CSSPS.gov.gh, and it is going to take you to this place. You tap on placement checker, and you see follow the steps below to check your placement. So this is the step that you need to follow. Just go by this in order to check it well. Okay, so we have here to be enter your 10-digit BECE index number followed by the year. All right, so this is the space that you are going to type it here. So you are going to type your index number here, 10-digit index number. Okay, now after that, let's say this is my index number, and after that I have to add the year, which is 2024. So when it is done, what I have to do is just tap on proceed. Tap on proceed, and you are going to see your placement or your school that you have in place. So this is the easiest and the simplest way to check your 2024-2025 placement. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section and I will be there to answer you. See you. Bye bye.